Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect a MacBook to an external monitor. All right, let's begin. First, check which input ports your monitor supports. Most monitors include HDMI or DisplayPort connections, which are usually located on the back or underneath the display. Once you know which input your monitor uses, check the ports available on your MacBook. Some newer MacBooks include only USB-C or Thunderbolt ports, while other models may also have an HDMI port built in. If your MacBook only has USB-C, you may need an adapter that converts USB-C to HDMI or DisplayPort, depending on your monitor connection type. Next, connect one end of the cable to the monitor and the other end to your MacBook. Make sure the monitor is powered on before checking the display connection. In most cases, the monitor should automatically detect your MacBook and begin displaying the screen. If you want to adjust the display settings, open System Settings on your Mac and select Displays from the sidebar. Here you can choose whether to use the monitor as an extended display, mirror your MacBook screen, or set the external monitor as the main display. You can also adjust the screen resolution and arrangement settings if needed. So that's basically how you can connect a MacBook to an external monitor. That's it for this video. Thanks.